Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. My name is Allauddin. I'm a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. Today I'm just going to teach a topic about 3Dsmax. So let us discuss about in a 3Dsmax there is a command, a modified tool. So that is called bend option. Okay. So what is a bend means, like you can take the any object, you can make any bend. If you wanted to make any types of object which has been it is in a bend means you can create as an bend. So example, what I'll do, I'll just take this one as one box here. If I take one box here, then I'll just draw one box here. Okay, so I'll just take length and width and then height I'll take. If you want exact height, width, everything here, then I'll go to modify. In this modify you can take this one as a length. The length I'll take as in 1 meter, and I'll take this width as in 1.5 meter, and here the height I'll take this one as in 4 meter. Okay, so this is on one object. So to apply the modifier here, so the segment is must. So without segment we can't apply the modifier. Even if you are applying the modifier also, so it won't bend properly here. So now I'll just apply some segments here. So let it be, I'll apply some 10 segments here for each length, width and height. Some 10 segments I have given. After applying the segments here, then we need to click on a modify. Here modify list is there. Now to enter bend shortcut command is B. If I'll enter B here, then the bend will appear here. So once if I'll take here, now you can see this one as an angle directions. So now it is in Z direction. If I'll apply in a Z direction this angle, now it will bend in a Z directions here. Suppose if you want to bend in a Y direction, now see it will get bend in a Y direction like this. So now the object, how the object is changing here, right? So we have to click this one as in bend axis here. Then now see, this is an X direction. If you want to make like an arch, then you can click on X direction here. Even the direction also you can give, yes, like this. So I'll click on Z direction. So I'll click this bend here. Now the direction I'll give 0 to this. Enter. Now I'll just give some curve here like this, like this. So there is one more option, that is limit effect. Limit effect is nothing but, so if you are applying this limit effect, so how much you wanted to apply that modifier, that much you can apply. Suppose if I'll click on limit effect on a Z direction, now you can click here and just apply the limit. Now you can see this one here, that limit effect is taking upper side. Now the line is showing here, right, in this one. So if I'll click here, now it will take until this one. Now what you can do, now you can apply the modifiers. If I'll apply the modifier, so how much limit I have applied here, that much only it's applying. Remaining portion is not bending here, so it's remains same as it is, only in a rectangle form only. So like that we are going to create a bend option. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you so much. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.